That one was booty cheeks. 2 out of 10. But I'll still give it a good grade. Grand finale. Wow, that was booty. Let's go over here then. Then I'll run if they are related. Whoa! Oh, I'm screamingly fast. My twerk. Just kidding. I don't have a twerk. E. Butt cheek. Whoa. Thumbs are not butt cheek. Whoa. These are not butt cheeks. You heard? Green grass. I need to touch some grass. Whoa. As I know, I need to touch some grass. As usual. Cause I game all day. This stuff feels good. I'm gonna let you guys feel some grass. Whoa! Whoa! That one was crazy. Where the fair is it? Put that one down. You just ruined that one. Oh. Did I just clap? Whoa! Whoa! It was in the sky! That was crazy. That wasn't in the sky. That one was in the sky. That one was in the sky. Oh, feel like raining now.
My ankle hurt.
Back up! Second part. Oh my God. Hurry up, firework.
It started raining now. It started raining now.
That's all. We're good. Last one.
The fish? Get for the fish. Get the fish.
I already did this one. We didn't do this one. Sunshine.
It started raining now. We got one. We
Two.
got two more.
Sound like a gunshot.
How you get live? I want to do it live.